she was lucky, or maybe 'twas fate, that she'd met a singer who could relate. I followed her down a forested path. We got to her portion, she said with a laugh, you know, I'd been thinking of staying inside, not my whole life, so I know how to hide. She poured me a cup and she sang me her song, and when she was done I just looked at her long, tears in my eyes and a tear in my heart. With one little tug she could pull me apart. Well, I croaked, what does it lack? And when she said me, my will she did crack. Maybe we'll be gone tomorrow, and maybe we won't feel the same, but for now in the sun I feel happy with her. She's given me a coat for the rain. There's taking and giving and a lot in between. With her at long last I felt finally seen. I've been just walking and looking around, but I hope to realize when I'm the one found. Spent the day living and planning the next. When the night fell we could lay down to rest, trading our clothes in the warm summer shine, cooking up breakfast in the morning sublime, sharing our words and our hearts in our hands, mending our souls as well as the land, working up sweat in the garden outside, and belting out songs that were cooped in our minds. Maybe we'll be gone tomorrow, and maybe we won't feel the same, but for now in the sun I feel happy with her. She's given me a coat for the rain. Maybe we'll be gone tomorrow, and maybe we won't feel the same, but for now